Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So one of my subscriber asked me about how to create this logout as a button. So let's have a look how we are going to create this as a button. So for those who haven't watched my previous video, please look at that, like how to add the classes to it. Okay, before if you're not adding the classes, then you can't create the button over it, right? So you need to follow the previous tutorial. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, if you like my efforts, then please hit like to this video and do the comment on that. Okay, and subscribe my channel also. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have added the custom classes. Okay, now I'm going to transform it into a button. So you can see that here is the logout button, here is li. Okay, we are going to add background hash 000. Okay, and it's better it's full li, and this is anchor tag. Okay, color, we can add the padding 12 pixels, and we can add the border radius also 12 pixels. Or if you want this one as a button, we can just copy this HCSS also. Here we have a span, and here we go with the color on this one. And we can change the color in also here. Let's check what's the color is here. So I'm going to add this color. So you can see that there is a feel of that the button part, right? And the rest of the css you can do it what exactly what you want, right? But see that there it is now the button, right? So this is if this solves your issue, then it's very good. And if you have any query in that, just let me know, because I have just added the classes and convert that into the button. You can create a nice beautiful button according to the css part. Okay, so any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is for the subscriber that asked me that about the question. So any query in that, just let me know in the comment section, and also tell me about that, is that video that meet your requirements or not. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing my channel. Those who have subscribed my channel, thank you so much for subscribing the channels and liking my video. And thank you so much, have a great day.